Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a fashion brand known for its classic styles. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. In British accent, we may pronounce it as Polished Preppy, Polished Preppy, Polished Preppy, Polished Preppy, while in American accent, we may pronounce it as Polished Preppy, Polished Preppy, Polished Preppy, Polished Preppy. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.